Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you, Christmas lights, because it is not far away from now. Christmas time is the best time of the year, and I like it so much that there are all around us so much twinkle and shiny things. And this Christmas lights will gain this a little bit more. You can choose. Between colorful moving snowflakes and white snowflakes. I choose the white snowflakes because the snowflakes in real life are white too, isn't it? You have a light projector, holiday projector. It's not only for Christmas, of course. I will let it there after Christmas time too. It is for outdoor use and indoor. It is a decorations, waterproof, landscape, garden, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas party, etc. light. You can choose it where you like it. This lamps projector could project the snowflakes onto a wall, onto a building, dance floor, or any flat surface you like. Moving colorful or white snowflakes will create a romantic atmosphere and add endless fun for your festival party time. It is suitable for all kinds of festival and parties out there, such as outdoor Halloween decorations, indoor Halloween decorations, Christmas indoor and outdoor decorations, and every light decorations you like. That lamps has four specifications for the 3-watt lamp beads. There is a clear difference between the KOOT 3-watt lamps beads and the traditional 1-watt lamps beads. So your snowflakes is higher in the brightness level. The projected area of the snowflake lights depends on the distance between the lamp and the projector plane. The longer the distance from your projector is, so larger the projector area of the lamp will be. If the projection space is darker, the better the projector effect will be. You have two installation ways. The projector light can be stacked onto the ground with a spike provided or mounted to a structure with a sturdy hanging bracket. Place that lamp approximately 5 up to 15 feet from the projection surface. Then adjust the distance to get the best effect. And the Christmas snowflakes light with a waterproof IP65 level suited for both indoor and outdoor, even use in rainy weather, dry, damp, and wet locations, but not recommended for use in heavy rain. That snowflakes has been UL approved. It is a safe and warm decoration for your kid's bedroom, for example, or for your Christmas living room too. In this video, I will show you how to assemble it outdoor use. I will project it onto a wall, and it is really easy. You have all what you need in the box. The dimensions of it are the body of these is 9 centimeters. These are 3.5 inches in the length, and the diameters are 10 centimeters. That are 3.9 inches, and the spike is 14.5 centimeters. These are 5.8 inches. That means you have 10 plus 14.5. This is 24.5 centimeters each, or overall, plus the mount itself. This is 7.2 centimeters. That means you come approximately up to 30 centimeters each decoration lamp. Well, this is not so large, really not so much. The voltage is 100 up to 240 voltage, 50 until 60 hertz. The adapter is a 12 volt, 1 ampere. The source is an LED powered light. Working temperature is minus 25 degrees up to 32 degrees Celsius. The external color is black. The cable are 5 meters AC plus DC. The power waterproof grade is IP444. The product waterproof is IP65. And the product dimensions are 99 millimeters to 90 millimeters. The weight is 0.52 kilograms. It is a heavy weight and a tiny thing, and you can project your snowflakes all over your home outside. Easy, really easy. Halloween and Christmas is coming. Are you ready for it? If you want to find a snowflake projector, Halloween outdoor decoration, Christmas outdoor decoration, that it is. Oh yeah, it is a great replace for a string light, and you don't need to hang something. The projector environment too brighten or to project the distance too far will affect the using experience. The optimum range of that projector is 10 up to 16 feet. It is suggested to put the projector light over 16 feet far from the walls or ceiling. For longer lifespan, they suggest you run it for 4 hours and rest for 30 minutes in the summer, and run 6 hours and rest 30 minutes in the winter time. Okay, no problem, because I am only use it at the dusk a little bit and at Christmas time, but it's no problem. It should be work all day long, no problem. I think so. If it will break first, I have to resend it. Okay, but it is a nice project, really nice. It is awesome for Christmas lights. I will use it for Christmas lights, and that it is. You only have to assemble the stick. If you like to use the stick, then assemble to the SC adapter. Then go out and have fun with it. Here you can see it is really dark outside, and the light is rotating, and there are some lenses inside. This lenses will get a shine over with the LED shines the LED power through it, and in that the lenses are models of the snowflakes. These snowflakes will push in up to the wand and project the light on it. Really awesome. I like it really much, and this looks nice, and it is really, really Christmas time out there now. Yeah, and it will brings a quiet circle engine in it. It will rotate and rotate and rotate, and it will get a nice snowflake on it. You can adjust it by using it up or down, right or left. And if you like to have a bigger projection error, you have to go back a little bit. But you have to look how distant is the best for your surface there. Because if you see the snowflakes are sharp, okay, stay there, let it, never run a running system then, and you have a nice decoration thing. Really awesome. You can have, it is available in colorful snowflakes too, of course, but I like these white ones. So Christmas is coming. I like it really much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.